we are all gathered here for a plant unboxing video. But it technically isn't an unboxing video, it's more of just a haul because I opened the box yesterday. It just arrived in a time that wasn't that convenient for me to film a video, so I hope that's okay. I'll include like pictures of the packaging and the box when I received it. So let's just get into the plant haul. Alright, so I'll start with things that I knew about Hirt's before ordering. Like I've seen the negative reviews, I've watched the unboxing videos where people's plants just looked horrendous and dying, but I still went ahead and ordered because I just thought maybe I'd get lucky. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, if I'm like dripping in sweat and panting throughout this video, it's because my AC broke yesterday, so it's like probably 96 degrees outside, and it's pretty close to that in my room right now. The plants are probably pretty happy, but I'm not. So I just got my order from Hirt, and I'm really pleased with everything. I almost expected them to be out of something and not send it to me just because I've seen that in other videos, but that was not the case. I got all 6 of my plants. They're all really big. They look healthy. I don't see anything wrong. Nothing was disconfigured or looks like they got hurt in the process of shipping, so I'm really happy about that. So like what I said, there's just soil all over the box. That was like the only negative there was the packaging, so I just need to like wipe all the soil off of the leaves and then we're good to go. So I'm overall pretty happy, and I'll just see how they fare in the next few weeks. I feel like I'm getting bitten by ants right now. Oh yeah, another thing I wanted to mention is that the soil in all of them is pretty dry. But they were only in transit for 2 days. It was shipped on Tuesday, I believe, and I just received it this morning. It is Thursday, so I don't think that affected them too much. And I guess that's better than them just sitting in moisture in a box for 2 days. So yeah, they look pretty great to me. I'm really happy with them. So I'll start with this green prayer plant, or Maranta, that I ordered. It's in the 4-inch pot, and it was only $2, I think, $1.99, which is a freaking amazing deal. And when I received it, I did not expect it to have this many leaves. Look how bushy she is. Just look at that. So yeah, I've seen other unboxing videos where their Maranta had maybe 1 or 2 browning leaves on the verge of falling off. So I'm incredibly happy with this. Big thumbs up. Just look at her. She looks incredibly healthy. There's not really much browning, and just look how massive those leaves are. Wow. Just wow. So the next thing I ordered were 2 red prayer plants or Marantas, and I'm incredibly happy with these 2 because look at how huge and healthy they look. Look at how, can you even count how many leaves she has? She has so many. I was not expecting this whatsoever. Just look at that. So I'm hoping I'll be able to maintain this health of theirs, and that leaves won't fall off in the coming days. Look at that. $1.99 each. $1.99 each. Okay, that was kind of weird. So the next plant I got was, I guess, the main reason for my order and the plant that I was most excited about, and it is this Calathea ornata. I'd do anything for her. Just look at her. Come on, focus. Doing the whole makeup YouTuber thing with the hand. Is it focused? Are you focused? Focus for me. So this Calathea ornata is in a 2.5-inch pot. And it was actually one of the pricier ones. It was $7.99, but I think it was worth it. Hopefully I will, hopefully she'll grow and I'll keep her alive. I'll do everything in my control to keep her alive, but she looks really healthy too, so I'm pretty happy about this as well. And this was actually the last one in stock when I ordered. So cute. I just love the pink stripes that look like they were handmade. This is definitely one of my favorites, and I definitely have a calathea problem. Like, I'd call myself a beginner with plants, so I don't think it was wise of me to just take on so many calathea, but they're just irresistibly beautiful. Like, I will put in extra effort just to have you guys around. Alright, so this next plant isn't really anything that special. It's just a parlor palm in a, how many inch? Just like a 2-inch pot, I guess. And it was only 99 cents, so I thought, why not? I don't have any palms, and yeah, just a low maintenance cutie right here. And yeah, I put cover pots in all of them. These didn't come with the order, of course. Alright, the next and last plant I ordered from Hirt's Gardens is this Hartley philodendron. This was a 2-inch pot. I think this is a 2-inch pot, and it was only like $1.99. They also had a 2-pack for $4, so I don't know why I just went for that, but I figured I only needed one of them. And she also looks, I also don't know why I always assume my plants are female. I don't know why I do that, but yeah. She's happy and healthy as well. All of the plants looked really healthy from what I can observe with my 2 eyes. So I am extremely happy with this order. I don't really have anything negative to say, to be quite honest. The only negative thing I have to say is that shipping is where they get you. The plants are all cheap on their own, but shipping definitely is where they get you. Okay, so while we're here, I guess I'll just extend this haul and include other plants I got recently, because why not? So I took a recent trip to Lowe's, and I found quite a find. I found a find. I don't know, but yeah, I went to Lowe's and looked at him. Look at this Romantic Trio Star. Just wow. What more do I have to say? This is in a 1-gallon pot, I believe, and it was only $6, which is an insanely good deal. And yeah, it looks okay. Doing well, I think. So yeah, that was the main reason I went to Lowe's, but while I was there, of course, I had to walk around and see what else they had. And in the process, I found this Prince of Orange philodendron. I freaked out. I really did. You should have seen me when I found this. So this, oh my god, just hit me. This is also, I guess, like a 1-gallon pot, and it was only $10, which is also a really good deal for this size, because if you look at nurseries online, 4-inch one of this dude goes for sometimes more than $10, so this was an insanely good deal. And this leaf just kind of looks pretty rough, but other than that, looks healthy and amazing. So I was really happy to find him. I just need to take a second to stand in front of the fan for a couple minutes because it is so freaking hot in here. So I was at a local plant store called Porch Therapy recently, and I didn't plan on getting this. I don't even think I deserved to have it, but it was there, so I figured why not, because it might not be there the next time I go, you know? So I treated myself and I got this baby monstera. Oh my gosh, there's tons of new growths. So she came in, I believe, a 4-inch pot, and she's only $8. And as soon as I got home, I had to repot it because the roots were just like growing out of the pot like crazy. So she's happy, and I can't wait for the day where she matures and has splits on the leaves. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. And last but not least, I was at IKEA the other day and I just picked up this little dude. This is a Peperomia acousticola. It's the variegated kind. It's really adorable. I like Peperomia a lot. They're pretty easy. And this was a 4-inch one for $3.99, so it's pretty good. And yeah. Okay, so I completely forgot to mention this plant came in the mail this morning, which is the day after I filmed that video, and it is a Ficus Elastica Ruby from Jordan's Jungle. And this one's in a 4-inch pot. It was $10. So I haven't really seen, I was just in search of a Ficus Elastica Ruby or Taneki, I believe you pronounce it. It's just like the variegated kind of Ficus Elastica. So what I was saying was I didn't really see any reviews for their online store, but I saw a lot of positive reviews for their actual store in person, so I just went ahead and bought it since I was in search for a variegated Ficus Elastica, and I'm really happy with it, and hopefully one day she'll be a huge tree. So yeah, here's a close-up of the leaves. So this concludes my plant haul slash Hirt unboxing video. I really appreciate you sticking around and watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like. Leave a thumbs up. Have a nice day, guys.